Hello, my name is Wendy Sanchez, and that I will start the activity related to my last vacation. Import place I visited. On my last vacation, I visited Cartagena. I went to that beautiful city with my husband. We met many places in the city. However, our favorite were Castillo San Felipe and Ciudad Amurallada. There were many tourists everywhere, so we met many people from different countries. Food I tried. We also visit some restaurants. First, we ate fried fish in a typical restaurant, the best in the world. The next day, we went to an interesting international restaurant called San Pedro. We tried seafood, some cocktails, and a special dessert. All of the food was amazing. Activities I did during my vacation. Cartagena has many interesting events to do. For example, we rode jet ski and we practiced snorkeling. We enjoyed a special day on the beach. We rest alone and we drank some beers. Thank you so much.